Welcome to Sweet Pine TV. Let us learn about short sound A vowel words. Are you ready, kids? So let's begin. The man sat in a cab. The man sat in a cab. What took a nap on the mat? What took a nap on the mat? I have a bag full of maps. I have a bag full of maps. The fat cat ran behind the rat. The fat cat ran behind the rat. Sam cooked the ham in the pan. Sam cooked the ham in the pan. Dad has a writing pad. Dad has a writing pad. The lad wore a cap. The lad wore a cap. The rat was in the van. The rat was in the van. The tan is bad. The tan is bad. The sad lad went to the lab. The sad lad went to the lab. The cat sat on my lap. The cat sat on my lap. The man ran to catch the tram. The man ran to catch the tram. Pam nags with her pal. Pam nags with her pal. Cat got a pat for this hat. Cat got a pat for this hat. Bat and ball are kept in the mall. Bat and ball are kept in the mall. The staff went for a ball. The staff went for a ball. Now let's repeat the sentences again. The man sat in the cab. What took a nap on the mat? I have a bag full of maps. Dad has a writing pad. The lad wore a cap. The rat was in the van. The tan is bad. The fat cat ran behind the rat. The cat sat on my lap. Sam cooked ham in a pan. The sad lad went to the lab. The man ran to catch the tram. Cat got a pat for this hat. Pam nags with her pal. The staff went for a ball. Bat and ball are kept in a mall. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos. See you next time with my new video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.